Good afternoon, everyone. Our today's name is transport. Okay. Can you see the children? One boy is walking, one is cycling, and a third child is going by in the car. Third child is going in the car. One of the on the first day, your chosen place. Okay, you can walk to your chosen place. On the second day, ride to it on a bicycle. First day, then go on third day, you can go by the cycle, and for third day, you can go on the car, in the car. First day you can walk, second day you go on the cycle, and third day you can go take an automobile, means take a car. Okay, what do you see? What are the changes in this? By walking, you get what happened by after walking? After walking, children, I'm asking you. Nice exercise, morning walk also will be done. In cycling, you can raise. Okay, fit हो सकते हैं, we will fit. Okay, very good, Archana. तुम्हारी हेल्थ अच्छी रह सकती है. Very good, children. Yes. Then by cycling, your health gets nice. Your exercise also done. Yes. In the car, you only sit and eat something all that. तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होगी. Your health will be not nice while going in the car. Okay, children. See. On the third day, take an automobile. While doing this, always take your school bag with you. Use the same route for all three journeys. Now, note down the following. The time taken for each journey on each of the 3 days, which journey took the longest time and which took the shortest time. Can you tell me? Can you tell me, children? Which of the journey takes a long time and which of the journey takes a short time? I want in a full sentence answer. And by cycling, walking takes a long time. Very good, Anshika Pandey. Very good answer. Walking takes a long time. Very good. And by cycling, it takes a little time. But by the car, it takes a short time because we can go fastest in the car. Okay? It goes fastest in the car. Very good, children. Very good. Okay. Now, which journey did you have to carry your own timing? Which was the most comfortable journey, children? Which was the most comfortable? Car. Very good. Car is a very comfortable journey because you are sitting and driver is driving over there in front of you. Okay. On which journey did you have to use fuel? Fuel किसके लिए लगा? Car. Very good. For car is used fuel. On which journey were you most bothered by smoke and noise? Smoke or noise किसमें था? Is the car perfect for you, everyone? Then, and for another child also, and for the animals and also? No, car is not good for our health because the fuels and smokes and voice pollution is there, air pollution is there due to what? A smoke. Yes or no, children? Then the cycle and walking is perfect for all your health purposes. Okay. Now, from your answer, you will see that walking takes the most time. Walking takes the most time and you have to put in labor to carry your own things. Using the vehicles saves time and efforts. Yes or no? Using the vehicles to save us time and your efforts, means energy, health. तुम लोग यूज कम कर सकते हो, टाइम भी तुम्हारा बच सकता है. क्यों? कार यूज करने से. You must have also realized that you need to use fuel in automobile. This causes air and noise pollution. It means the different modes of transport have different advantages and disadvantages. इसका advantages भी है. Advantages क्या है कि तुम लोग जल्दी पहुंच सकते हो. Disadvantages क्या है? Noise pollution and air pollution due to the smoke. This is a disadvantages. Advantages that you can go fast, you can go on a time, you can save your efforts. You can save your efforts and all that. These are the advantages. Two disadvantages and advantages of the cars and automobiles. In today's high-speed world, we have to depend on several modes of travel and transportation of goods. Modern means of transport have many advantages. Work gets done sooner. Yes or no? Work gets sooner. जल्दी जल्दी हम लोग भाग सकते हैं. ट्रेन से हम लोग जल्दी जल्दी पहुंच सकते हैं. कार से हम लोग जल्दी जल्दी पहुंच सकते हैं. Time and efforts are saved. Trade is facilities. Different parts of the world are now connected due to transport facility. We can go anywhere. The transport of goods, even on a global level, has become simple and easy. Has so many things are easily available. The lifestyle of people has improved. चलो कार में बैठना तो लाइफस्टाइल भी तो चेंज करने, बाल काट डालो, कपड़े चेंज कर दो, अपनी लाइफस्टाइल चेंज कर दो. Why? Because we are sitting in the car, we having a car. हमारे पास कार है बाबा, बड़ी बड़ी कार है. Yes or no? So our lifestyle also changes. The facilities of tourism, health, education, etc. have become speeder. Due to the various means of transport, the world has come closer. The world has come closer. एक दूसरे से world से हम लोग closer से. Can you see this picture, children? What is there? Noise pollution is there. And which pollution is there? Why noise pollution is there? How the noise pollution occurs due to this? Due to car, bike and all that. I want the answer, children. Horn, very good, because of the car. Very good, Dhruvi. Horn, very nice. Sarthak. हॉर्न की आवाज से नॉइज पोल्यूशन होता है. एयर पोल्यूशन कैसे होता है? ड्यू टू व्हाट एयर पोल्यूशन? एयर पोल्यूशन फ्यूल से होता है, बाय स्मोक. वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन, बाय द स्मोक. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. कैन यू टेल मी state the difference between the plants close to the road and those far away from the road? Can you tell me, children? I'm asking you the question. The difference between the plants closer to the road and those far away from the road based on the following points. नजदीक है plants और जो road के दूर है, what are the difference between them? Can you tell me difference between them, children? Come on, give me the answer. Fresh. All plants are dried. Very good, Dhruvi. Due to what they are dried? Due to what they are drying? Due to by pollution, by air pollution. Very good. Due to air pollution, it's drying. Okay. Following points. Freshness of leaves, God. Colors of leaves उड़ जाता है, पूरा सूख जाता है. Due to, very good, very good. Then appearance of plants from the observation above. You must have realized that there is a constant traffic on the busy road, on a highway. Constant traffic चल रहा है, दोपहर हो, शाम हो, रात हो, morning हो. Every time buses, cars, bikes and all that going on. Due to the burning of fuel in the vehicles, they constantly emit some poisonous gases. उसमें से क्या निकलता है? Some poisonous gases. These gases mainly include carbon monoxide. It's a name of the gas. Carbon monoxide is the name of the gas. Don't ask me what is teacher monoxide. Is the name of the gas. Carbon monoxide is the name of the gas. Nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Similarly, these are the names of the gases. These are the names of the gases that is spread due to the air pollution. क्या होता है? Plants died. Okay. Similarly, minute particles of carbon and lead are also in the air, into the air. And excess of this substance lower the qualities of air in the environment. This is what we call air pollution. This is what we call air pollution. The presence of gas in the air, they are carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. These gases are present in the air. Air pollution affects animals and plants in the following ways. How they affect the plants and animals too. Pressures, lungs and eye disorder. Eyes अपना lungs में कफ भर जाता है, yes or no? Then eyes disorder means आग जलते हैं. Why? Due to the pollution and all that. Burning of the leaves of plants shrivel up and falls. Sprout gets scrotted. The growth and development of plant is affected adversely. Constant traffic through forest area can harm the habits of plants and animals living there. The wild animal in this forest began to migrate there. The constant sound of vehicles create noise on a large scale, harmful to our earth. Very good. Feel difficult in breathing. Very good, Dhruvi. Lungs अपनी खराब होती है मुख के वजह से. Like cigarettes, some of the persons are smoking cigarettes. उनकी वजह से क्या होता है? उनका lungs खराब होता है. Same. This pollution, air pollution, by the smoke, our lungs get spoiled. Lungs get spoiled. Very good. उसके से क्या होता है? Vehicles creates a noise on a large scale. Every time the noise of the horn, it's like a horn of Air also अपने कान में बजता है, हाँ बाप रे कितना जोर से आवाज है. Like that we are saying. It causes ill effects such as restlessness, irritability, headache, दुखना, concentration, psychologically disorder, etc. If there are traffic jam, air and noise pollution in that area, yes or no? Traffic accident causes injuries, death and damage to the vehicle. ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट, जब ट्रैफिक में एक्सीडेंट होता है तो क्या होता है? इंजुरीज, डेथ एंड डैमेज टू द व्हीकल इट्स बिकम्स. ओके, from this we realize that we should cultivate habits such as walking. Due to this only we should, what we should do, we should by walking, we should do walking, harmful our body. Very good, Faizan, Archana, we cannot breathe, very good. So what we should do, we should go walking. So what we should do, we should go walking for the short distance or riding a bicycle for slightly longer distance. थोड़ा नजदीक हो, नीचे ही जाना है तो walk करके जाओ. Why taking a car? Why don't बोलते ना waste fuel also, fuels को भी बचाओ तुम लोग. Okay, then if you want to go a little bit high, little bit within a long distance, take a bicycle. In this way we can avoid the use of fuel burning vehicles and reduce the pollution also. Okay, at other time using public and private transport can save time and effort. In this way we can reduce the severity of the harmful effect of transportation. The following are the some more remedies for reducing pollution. Reduce कैसे करना है pollution? We will see the remedies. Okay, more remedies. Using fuel that cause less pollution. Yes or no, children? टाइमली मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर ऑफ व्हीकल. टाइमली मेंटेनेंस करना है व्हीकल को. अगर आपका व्हीकल ज्यादा स्मोक छोड़ रहा है तो प्लीज डू इट PUC as soon as possible. Okay, using public transport as far as possible. Don't use your private vehicle, use a public transport like rickshaw, then cars or not car, buses and train and all that. Then using private vehicle only when necessary. Private vehicle अगर कुछ इमरजेंसी हो तो खुद की कार निकालो, खुद की बाइक निकालो. If it is necessary, then only. Then planting trees, especially indigenous or local variety like banyan, people, neem, कनज एक्सेट्रा. दिस टाइप ऑफ banyan का ट्री बोलते हैं ना, पिंपरासा झाड़, फिर नीम का झाड़, नीम का पत्ता एंड ऑल दैट. दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रीज you can plant it there because due to this the air pollution वो अपना ऑक्सीजन छोड़ते हैं पर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड at that inside. Okay, what we take inside it's oxygen and carbon dioxide बाहर छोड़ते हैं. तो who takes that inside? The carbon dioxide. Tree takes that carbon dioxide inside. This type of tree does this help us. Okay, and caring for them. These trees adapt easily to the local environment and help in enhancing biodiversity. Avoiding fuels that cause pollution, using fuels such as LPG and CNG for vehicle. LPG gas use करो, CNG gas use करो. Nowadays vehicles are using these CNG gases and all that. Fuels कम use करते हैं, पेट्रोल और डीजल पे ज्यादा गाड़ी नहीं आजकल चलती है. आजकल क्या यूज कर रहे हो लोग? LPG gas and CNG gas in the cars and all that. बड़े बड़े cylinders are there in your, maybe in the auto also, and your car. Must be your father and mother must be knowing about this. Okay, everyone understood what you're going to do? Use LPG gas and CNG gas. Always remember, children, our environment is very much sensitive, both najuke. That is why pollution has destructive effect on it. These effects are harmful for all living things, including us. It is very necessary to prevent the pollution. What I am telling, our environment is very sensitive. And I want to tell you that which are the three, what is that? Okay, three gases, name of the three gases, that was carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide are the three gases present in the air. Due to that, the leaves are getting spoiled. Air pollution hota hai. Okay, that is why pollution has destructive effects on it. These effects are harmful for all living things, including us. We are also living things. It is very necessary to prevent the pollution. In this modern time, we use car, ships, and aeroplanes that runs on the fuel. In the olden days, ships did not use such engines. Ships कैसे चलती थी पहले के जमाने में? कोयले से. कोयले से भी धुआं होता है. Otherwise, बोट चलती थी हाथ से. Sorry. They had sails which has to use the force of the wind. They were called sails. In those days, people traveled all over the world on these ships. Okay, on these ships. Can you see this picture, children? Smoke. All air pollution is there. See, that man is going there. देखो उसके ऊपर धुआं छोड़ रहे उसके कितना उसके लंग्स के अंदर धुआं गया होगा. Can you imagine? Nowadays, water is also becoming polluted because of motor in the ship. Yes, because they are using fuel in the ships and all that. So the oil goes in the water also, and the fishes are dying. Nowadays, fishes also dying. Okay. Now see. Advantages of using the bicycle. Can you read? Anyone can read this? I am unmuting anyone. I am unmuting anyone. 1 second, children. Okay, Prathamesh Sinde, I am unmuting Prathamesh. Prathamesh, I have you. Prathamesh, I have unmuted you. Can you read me? Read for me.
Yes.
Read. Advantages of
Small loads can. Advantages of using a bicycle.
Okay.
Physical exercise.
Very good.
Small loads can also be carried.
Means you can carry the small load.
Does not cause.
1 minute, beta. You can carry a milky means small load. शक्कर लेके आओ, दूध लेके आओ. कहाँ किस पर जाना है? You can go in on a bicycle. Physical exercise होती है उससे. Your hand, then your legs and all that. Yes or no, children? You can do a nicely exercise over there. Third one, beta.
Does not cause pollution.
Does not cause you because you're not using a fuel in the bicycle. So pollution होना ही नहीं है उससे. Yes or no? Then
self-reliance.
You can do it by yourself. किसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती bicycle चलाने के लिए. Then
save time.
It saves the time to go to buy something. Your mommy sent you for to do sugar leke aao, then bring some milk, bring some Maggies, bring some biscuit and all that. You can take your bicycle. It can save your time also. While walking, it takes a little bit more time, longer distance. Okay, but it saves the time also. Next.
Can be stored in a small space.
This is made. You don't need so much big space to restore, to keep your bicycle in one corner also. Yes or no? और अगर कार हो गया आपके पास, उसको कॉर्नर में रख सकते हैं? नहीं, उसके लिए बड़ी जगह लगेगी. Yes or no? Then if you don't have a space, then you can park it on the road also. तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. पार्क अगर रोड पे किया कार को, तो पार्किंग पर्सन कम्स एंड टेक इट योर कार. Yes or no? तो आके लेके जाते हैं ऑक्ट्राई वाले. Okay, so तुम्हारी साइकिल तो कोई भी लेके नहीं जाएगा. You can keep anywhere. At your house also you can keep your cycle. In the balcony also you can keep your cycle. Yes or no? It takes a very small space. Next.
Save money.
How it saves money? You don't want to need to take a fuel. पेट्रोल के लिए पैसा लगेगा या डीजल के लिए पैसा लगेगा या सीएनजी के लिए. ओनली पैसा काय के लिए लगेगा? या फिर गैस उसमें हवा भरनी है या फिर उसका कुछ खराब हुआ होगा, चेन खराब हुआ होगा तो पैसा लगेगा. वो तो कभी कभार होता है. अगर किसी ने इसको टच नहीं मारी तो उसका हवा चले जाएगा. Yes or no, children? But it saves money also. But in the car, disadvantages of the car I'm telling you. कार के लिए क्या? यहाँ पे भी जाना है तुमको फ्यूल भरना है. चलो 90 रुपीज फ्यूल हो गया है नाउडेज, तो 90 रुपीज चला जाएगा. दैट ऑल्सो फॉर 1 लीटर. तो हम लोग को दूर जाना है तो उसके लिए कार चाहिए, तो उसके लिए फ्यूल लगेगा, पैसा चला जाएगा. इट डज नॉट सेव दस मनीज. नेक्स्ट.
Less crowding of vehicles on the streets.
ज्यादा क्राउड भी नहीं होगा व्हीकल का, बट इफ ट्रैफिक इज देयर, कार बाइक कितना आवाज आता है उधर, हम लोग अपने इवन इन द ट्रैफिक आल्सो वी कैन टेक आवर साइकिल। ये सुनो, कहाँ कहाँ से हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं साइकिल को, छोटी छोटी जगह से भी हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं साइकिल को। ये सुनो चिल्ड्रन, यस इट कैन, बट कार को हम लोग नहीं निकाल सकते हैं, इट डज नॉट go from small place and all that. Okay, this was the advantages of using a bicycle. Children, you should use your bicycle every day. You can drive your bicycle every day in the evening for 1 hour. It means your health will be nice every day. Air pollution नहीं होगा, noise pollution नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, damaging every organ. Okay, good. Okay, then what we have learned in the chapter, everyone understood the chapter clearly? It's a small chapter only. The beneficial and harmful effects of transportation. Today we have learned the beneficial and harmful effect of transportation, judicious use of means of transport, the dangers of nature due to the pollution caused by various means of transport. Yeah, ride a cycle every day, 1 hour. Very good, Aditi. Remedies for various types of pollution. Means you should drive a cycle. Tell your father also to go on the cycle on here to bring something from the town. Okay, tell your father also. If your mother does not know to drive the cycle, tell your father to drive the cycle. Everyone understood the chapter clearly, children?